Komal Jain. In this video, I will be sharing few vital concepts related to marketing in a very simple and low-key language for all my viewers. Knowing these concepts are important not only for students but also for professionals from corporate world. As rightly said, marketing is no longer about the stuffs you make, but about the stories you tell. Welcome to the world of marketing. So, what is marketing? Marketing is defined as the process of communicating the values of a product or services to the customer. The next concept of marketing, market research. Market research is an organized effort to gather information about markets or customers. It is explained as the process of gathering, analyzing and interpreting information about a product or services to be offered. Present or potential customers or need of your organization's target market. Primary and secondary are two basic types of market research. Primary research refers to gathering information from original sources. Discuss another concept of marketing, product positioning, as rightly said by L.B.S. and Jack Trout, who introduced the concept of positioning in the early 1970s. Positioning is not what you do to a product. Positioning is what you do with the minds of the prospects. It is defined as a consumer's perception about any product or services as compared to its competitors. For example, BMW, Rolex, Mercedes are positioned as premium brands. Now, let's discuss more about the product positioning process. Generally, product positioning process involves the following steps: defining the market in which the product or brand will compete, identifying the attributes that defines the product space, So, let's begin our next concept, product management. Product management is explained as an organizational function within an organization dealing with planning of products or services or even marketing at all stages of product life cycle. PLC we have discussed earlier. It includes two major activities, product planning and product marketing. It is mainly related with planning, prediction and marketing of a product. The core role in product management is product strategy, product development and product marketing. Now, let's discuss each concept in detail. Product strategy is defined as an element of a firm's decision making. It is concerned with developing the most appropriate product for its target market. important concept of marketing ethics. The word ethics is derived from the Greek word ethos, which means character. The term ethics refers to a code of conduct that guides an individual while dealing with others. It is related to social rules and cardinal values that motivates people to be honest. It deals with the morality in the business. It directs human behavior and also differentiates between good, bad, right, wrong, fair and unfair human behavior or action. It creates decency and discipline in behavior of an individual and also in society. There are 6 ethical values that marketers are expected to uphold. Let's discuss them.